Manipur, a jewel of northeast India, has been grappling with ethnic tensions, land disputes, and political turmoil. The state's diverse ethnic landscape and economic disparities have created a volatile environment. The recent escalation of violence in 2023 underscores the need for a comprehensive approach. The state's strategic location bordering Myanmar adds complexity, with concerns over illegal immigration and cross-border militancy. The violence has resulted in significant loss of life, displacement, and destruction, leaving deep scars. The Indian government has responded with security forces, peace talks, and humanitarian assistance. A long-term solution requires addressing ethnic tensions, land disputes, and economic disparities. A commitment to inclusive governance and equitable development is essential for lasting peace. The heart of Manipur's conflict lies in the tensions between the Meitei and Kuki-Zomi communities. The Meiteis, predominantly Hindu, are concentrated in the Imphal Valley, while the Kuki-Zomis, primarily Christian, reside in the surrounding hills. This demographic divide fuels competition for resources and political power. The Meitei's demand for scheduled tribe status has aggravated tensions. The Kuki-Zomis fear that granting ST status to the Meiteis would infringe on their rights, particularly regarding land ownership and access to opportunities. Addressing these tensions requires promoting inter-community dialogue and ensuring equitable access to resources. The government must play a proactive role in mediating disputes and fostering peaceful coexistence. The demand for scheduled tribe status by the Meitei community has become a major flashpoint. The Meiteis argue that ST status would provide constitutional safeguards and protect their cultural identity. However, the Kuki-Zomi tribes fear it would further marginalize their communities. The ST status debate has become highly politicized, deepening the divide between the communities. A sustainable solution requires addressing the concerns of both communities through open dialogue and consultation. Exploring alternative mechanisms to protect cultural identity without infringing on others' rights is essential. Land is at the heart of the conflict in Manipur. The Meiteis face land scarcity in the Imphal Valley, while the Kuki-Zomis inhabit the resource-rich surrounding hills. Disputes over land ownership often escalate into violent clashes. Illegal immigration from Myanmar adds pressure on land resources, fueling resentment and mistrust. The government needs to address illegal immigration while protecting indigenous rights. Implementing sustainable land management policies and promoting alternative livelihoods are crucial. A comprehensive land reform policy is needed to ensure equitable distribution of resources. A balanced approach considering all stakeholders' needs is essential for lasting peace. The presence of militant groups adds complexity to Manipur's conflict. These groups, fueled by ethnic grievances and separatist ideologies, engage in violence and extortion. The easy availability of arms, often smuggled from Myanmar, exacerbates the problem. The Indian government has deployed security forces, but a purely military approach is insufficient. A comprehensive strategy, combining security measures with political dialogue and socio-economic development is essential. Strengthening border security and enhancing international cooperation are crucial. Addressing underlying grievances and promoting inclusive governance are key to sustainable peace. Building a peaceful future for Manipur requires addressing the root causes of the conflict. Promoting inclusive governance, equitable development, and inter-community dialogue is essential. The government, civil society organizations, and community leaders all have crucial roles to play. Addressing economic disparities and investing in infrastructure development are key priorities. Empowering marginalized communities and ensuring access to essential services is crucial. Promoting inter-community dialogue and fostering mutual understanding are vital for building trust. A commitment to justice and accountability is necessary for healing and reconciliation. Strengthening the rule of law and implementing mechanisms for truth and reconciliation are essential for a just society.